Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm your host, FD465.tv, and today we want to extend the upcoming Avalanche 9000 upgrade to one of the protocols on Avalanche that we like so much, which is Benqi, a decentralized finance protocol built on the Avalanche network that provides a suite of financial services. To see what will be the impact of Benqi becoming a layer 1, what benefits and impacts that's going to cause when Benqi transitions to a layer 1. And it will have plenty of scope as well to move forward if it's transition to a layer 1 from what it is today, which is as a subnet. What will happen next? I think we may actually see some dApps building on top of Benqi. I think that's coming. That's not far off. But before I jump into this video, guys, please know that what I'm going to share with you in this video is not financial advice. If you do require financial advice, please approach someone who is trained to give you financial advice. The information contained in this video is just for educational as well as entertainment purposes. And this content is also not targeted at UK audiences for the sole reason that the UK authorities do deem anything crypto related to be extremely risky, and they are trying to protect you just in case you end up losing your funds. You're not smart enough to invest your money. That's what they're thinking or saying. That's what I think anyway. I don't know what exactly they're saying. I'm just here to pass on the message. You can't watch any crypto related content. That said, let's come back to the transition from subnets to independent layer 1s, and the project we're going to feature in this context is Benqi, following the announced Avalanche 9000 upgrade. So Benqi is a decentralized finance protocol built on the Avalanche blockchain currently, and it is a subnet built to provide a suite of financial services. It is designed to enhance capital efficiency and accessibility in the DeFi space by offering lending, borrowing, and liquidity staking solutions. Benqi plays a significant role in Avalanche's DeFi ecosystem by enabling users to interact with digital assets in a secure, scalable, and cost-efficient manner. Now, what we're sharing with you guys, it is speculation on my part, but you also need to be open to the idea that Benqi might decide not to build their own layer 1 or transition to a layer 1 and stay as a dApp on another layer 1 built by another team or something like that. But I honestly think they are going to transition to layer 1, which is great because we started participating within the Benqi ecosystem when it was a dApp or decentralized application. Now it's on chain. If that happens, if they do choose to remain a dApp, I think that will be a missed opportunity, but I think they will go for layer 1 transition. So Benqi provides the foundational infrastructure for decentralized financial activities on Avalanche, enabling users to maximize the utility of their digital assets while fostering greater liquidity, accessibility, and efficiency within the DeFi space. Its innovation in liquidity staking and lending makes it a pivotal player in Avalanche's growth as a blockchain ecosystem. So just imagine today, Benqi is a dApp on Avalanche providing lending, borrowing, and liquid staking services on the Avalanche blockchain. When it transitions to a layer 1, it will have dApps building on top of it, different teams and related to Benqi. I think that will be a killer move. I think that's what they're heading. Otherwise, if I can see it, the clever people at Benqi, I think they saw it for this video, and that's what they will be doing. Anyway, the recent Avalanche 9000 upgrade introduces significant enhancement to the Avalanche ecosystem, particularly transforming the concept of subnets into independent layer 1 blockchain. There you go. It's transforming. Okay, so if it's a subnet today, I think it will be transformed into an independent layer 1. For Benqi, a prominent DeFi protocol on Avalanche, transitioning from a subnet to an independent layer 1 presents several advantages for its operations, users, and investors like you and I. We start with enhanced customization and flexibility. So operating as an independent layer 1 on Avalanche allows Benqi to tailor its blockchain parameters to better align with its specific use cases, and this includes custom economic models where Benqi can design unique staking mechanisms, gas fee structures, and reward systems that optimize user engagement and protocol efficiency. Governance autonomy as well, with full control over governance structures. Benqi can implement decision-making processes that reflect the preferences of its community and stakeholders. So if that is not good to transition to a layer 1, I don't know what is. We also have improved scalability and performance. So as an independent layer 1, Benqi can achieve dedicated resources through operating independently to ensure that transactions and smart contracts are processed without competing for resources, leading to faster and more reliable performances. And when it comes to scaling, the ability that derives from transitioning to a layer 1, the ability to scale operations horizontally by adding more validators or adjusting network parameters to meet increased demand, that is an attractive proposition if you ask me. And we move on to the economic efficiency. The Avalanche 9000 upgrade significantly reduces the cost associated with launching and maintaining a layer 1 blockchain. So what's not to like? Why would you want to remain as a dApp on another layer 1 if the cost of maintaining and launching a layer 1 has been reduced significantly? It's a no-brainer, right? And the lower validator cost as well. The previous requirement of staking 2,000 AVAX per validator will be replaced with a more affordable subscription model, thereby lowering economic barriers for Benqi to operate its own layer 1, and reduce transaction fees where lower C-chain fees make transactions more cost effective for users, enhancing the overall user experience. And the next thing is the enhanced security and compliance. I mean, for a dApp that's currently providing financial solutions, when you become a layer 1 and you got dApp building on top of you got security and compliance. What's not to like? That's a shoe into TradeFi. You got operating as a layer 1 enables Benqi to custom validator sets, implement its own validator set, thereby enhancing security by selecting trusted validators aligned with the protocol's objectives. When it comes to regulatory compliance, Benqi can apply specific compliance measures such as geo restrictions and custom permissions to adhere to regulatory requirements across different jurisdictions. And the benefits to users and investors, you and I, you got the improved user experience where faster transaction times and lower fees will enhance user satisfaction and engagement with Benqi services. And the increased innovation that comes with the Avalanche 9000 as well provides greater flexibility, which allows Benqi to introduce new features and services more rapidly, attracting a broader user base and increasing protocol utility. And the potential for higher returns as well, where the enhanced scalability and efficiency can lead to increased protocol usage, potentially resulting in higher returns for investors through staking rewards and token appreciation. So everything, guys, with this Avalanche 9000 for protocols like Benqi, I think we are about to see some exciting stuff. So this is not just about the Avalanche network and the AVAX native coin. It's also about protocols like Benqi, as LFJ and Zava and a lot more. They are going to benefit a lot from what Avalanche has just done. We may about to see something great from the Avalanche ecosystem, something that we have not seen. Maybe what is happening to Solana with meme coins, only in this case, these will be proper use cases. No disrespect to meme coins, but they are still meme coins. Whereas here, we are talking of financial services built on one of Avalanche's most promising dApp currently, or subnet currently, which will transition to a layer 1 if, of course, the team chooses to. What's not to like? So this strategic move is expected to drive growth, innovation, and adoption of Benqi's DeFi services within the Avalanche network if, of course, the team chooses to do that. I think they will, because if you listen to what I've just been talking about with this Avalanche 9000 upgrade, it's a no-brainer, really. So, guys, do you think Benqi's shift from a subnet to independent layer 1 blockchain under the Avalanche 9000 framework could potentially offer substantial benefits? I do, and I think that will enhance customization, scalability, economic efficiency, security, and user satisfaction. That's what we are after. These improvements are poised to strengthen Benqi's position as a leading DeFi protocol on Avalanche if they do indeed transition when the chance comes. I'm sure they will, because everything is geared towards their fundamentals. So what's not to like about that? Anyway, guys, that's my take on what I think Avalanche 9000 upgrade is going to do to the likes of Benqi, a project we do like on this channel and a project I also hold within my private portfolio. Let me know what you think about Benqi and the upcoming Avalanche 9000 upgrade that will likely transition Benqi from a subnet to a layer 1. Let me know what you think. Until the next one, guys, this is FD for Sage5.tv signing out for now. Bye.